Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. For today's video ay magluluto tayo ng masarap na ulam para sa ating dinner. Sinabawang fish talakitok, kribing masarap na sinigang na fish for dinner. Magpapakulo tayo ng water. Magad tayo ng slice of sibuyas, bawang, luya, kamatis at lemongrass. Continue ang ating pagpapakulo hanggang lumabas ang kanyang aroma. Mag-add tayo ng ating sinigang mix at ilagay na rin natin ang ating nahugasang fish. Nilagyan ko ito ng asin para manuot ang kanyang lasa. Gulay, meron tayong eggplant at pichay. Mag-add tayo ng ating slice of fresh eggplant. Unahin natin nilagay guys. Takpan natin para maluto ito at huli natin lalagay ang ating fresh pichay. Ang sarap ng ating sinigang na fish talakitok at luto na ito. For hot drinks ay meron tayong onion, lemongrass tea. Nag-add tayo ng ating slice of onion, lemongrass, 5 pirasong cloves at yung ating tea seeds. Strong tea ang ating hot drinks ngayon guys. At naglagay pa tayo ng ating fresh mint leaf. Ang sarap ng ating hot drinks guys. Gawa muna tayo ng ating cold drinks. Meron tayong smoothie watermelon with assorted nuts. Yung ating slice of watermelon, powdered milk, at meron pa tayong nilagay na oats. Ang sarap ng ating oats guys at very healthy pa ito. Maganda tayo ng ating assorted nuts, yung ating cashew nuts and almonds. Maglalagay tayo ng water and blend it well at meron na tayong napakasarap na smoothie watermelon with assorted nuts. Ready ng ating masarap na dinner. Kakain tayo guys. Para sa ating main course, yung ating masarap na sinigang fresh talakitok with fresh gulay. So, yung ating pichay and eggplant. Hot drinks, yung ating onion, lemongrass tea with fresh mint leaves. Cold drinks, smoothie, watermelon with assorted nuts. Yung ating pritong fish, favorite ko rin guys yung masarap na pritong fish. Meron pa tayong very healthy apple juice and water. Kain tayo guys, marami tayong ulam para sa ating dinner. And mag-enjoy tayo nito. Let's enjoy the food. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys for my next vlog. Bye bye. Ingat po.